Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OPMZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Don't mean to state the obvious, but the past basically day and a half have been very powerful for this one, including the last 30 minutes. Again, each one of these represents 30 minutes. I bring that up because check out the final 30 minutes on the day. You can see volume came surging back in and then got a very nice green candle, which closed right up there at the highs of the day. So always a good thing when prices are closing at the highs. So let's first map out some levels of support, then we can talk about some areas of resistance. First area of support is what I would call the ideal level, meaning, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can stay up above 009, that would make the chart look very, very powerful. Now, if the price does drop below it, by no means am I saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But preferably speaking, yeah, if the price can stay above there from a quote-unquote storybook perspective, that would certainly make the chart look very, very healthy. Next level of support after that, I'm going to call it down there at 0075. So 009, 0075, two near-term levels of support. Taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things, it's really all about the purple line there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. I realize the line's way down there and the price is way up there, but keyword there being 50-period simple moving average. So as time goes by, that line is just going to continue to move its way upwards. And the very, simplistic way to look at this is as far as, the health of the move. What do I mean by the move? Well, this thing right here. So how can you measure the health of that? As long as the price remains above that purple line going forward, then the bulls are in full health, bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Now, what about levels of resistance? So if this move is going to continue upwards, where's some potential battlegrounds at? For this, I'm going to go to another time frame, which is a good problem to have because I don't think the price has been up this high for a while. Yeah, it's been a long time since the price has been up this high, so there we go. So next key level of resistance, right up there at 0.0116. Again, 0.0116, next key level of resistance. But at the end of the day, taking a step back, looking at big picture, as long as the price builds higher bases, puts in higher lows, then the long-term chart's going to take care of itself. So still 3 days left this week. It'll be interesting to see if the bulls can continue to build upon this momentum or not. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interested in and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.